It's another huge issue in my case as well was no due process. I've been hearing this a lot in the past week that really there's no due process when you walk in there.
That is one of the things that they use to, because keep in mind, I believe that in a lot of these cases, they're decided before you walk into court. And I realized that my case was decided when the judge was asked to enforce a subpoena to force a witness to come forward, and he refused. And it was a very significant witness. And when he said that, you can pick up on these things, these little nuances that go on. I want people to watch for them,
right?
So they can prepare and help, help themselves better. When I realized that he wasn't going to enforce this subpoena to compel this witness to come forward, I knew my case was already decided ahead of time. So in order to make all this corruption go under the rug, what's the best way to do it? Let's not give her any opportunity to provide, counter testimony, access to evidence proving what she's saying. And we're just going to make all this go away and all the corruption goes under the rug. That was why, and it all connects, with me firing the lawyer, entering my pro se appearance, because the things that I put in these motions that I ended up getting filed last week were things that my attorney was scared out of her mind to ever bring up. I'm not afraid. Well, I expect retaliation, but I'm not in her position. It's different. Should I have to fear retaliation? No. Do I? Yes. But I at least expect it now. Just for speaking out against the injustice, just for getting my points on the record,